This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you encounter the issue where single click to open an item is grayed out in File Explorer options, then either read through this article for the solution or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command regedit and hit Enter. This will open the Registry Editor window. In the Registry Editor window, go to the following path: hkey_current_user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, policies, Explorer. In the right pane, right-click on the entry named Classic Shell and select Delete. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.